Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. So this is night right here, guys. Just a little bit of night walking I'm doing. So I'm not gonna go too far. Let's see where this road take us. See where this road take us, because I want to just give you guys a little look. It looks so different. It's night, so I just want to show you guys a little bit around in the night also. As today I went to the beach, that was good. We have some nice time there, and now is the night because tomorrow actually we're leaving. So yeah, we're gonna go back into Madrid. So we're gonna stay here for like 2 nights. Tomorrow we're leaving again. So I just said let I just do a quick little walk around. Not really sure, because I don't see like a lot of place here. It's more like resident, like just for living. I don't see anything much more than like the plaza that I've been to today. I saw that. Okay, as I said before, if you come in this area on a holiday or anything like that, they do have that nice plaza you can visit. You can get stuff there. They have the Lidl supermarket, they have Burger King. Everything is in this, I mean, just like a block away. So that's very, very good. Not hard to or complicated, you know. So now let's take a little walk, guys, while we continue to enjoy the video. So this is the nightlife here. You know, if the beach is a good distance. If it wasn't so far, I would have go back like now, because this is the right time when it's cool and everything. The sun is down. This would be the right time to go to the beach. But the distance is not near, and we have to take. I don't want to chance it. I don't really want to go too much out there unless I have to. The best place I would go, or one of the places that I could have gone now, is in the town, but it's also like about 40 minutes or so. So why not just take a little walk, show you guys around a little bit, see what's going on here. I like the idea how they have this area just for bicycle and scooter. Yes, that's so nice. And then they have this side for us to walk, that side for bicycle, scooter, and of course the road for cars. I like how all of that put together. So it should be safe. Like accident and stuff should be not too much here because of how they structure it. But things can still happen, so just how they try to make the place like this, so everybody can feel freely riding or cycling, whatever, around the place. And it, you know, you can also jump in you can rent an e-bike, scooter, you can go into town and stuff like that. So you see they have their own road, actually, literally their own road to ride in. So this is a proper runabout, not like how we have it in England. You know, like in England just a small, but these are proper big runabouts, so that's cool. This road actually takes us back into the big town, because when I was coming this roundabout we came around it, so I definitely remember. So this one can take you there. I'm gonna walk and go back into the plaza area, and then maybe I cut off the video there. As I said, there's not much to view from this side around, so let's just do that quickly. Yeah, but we need to always look, because as I tell you, bicycle, come this way, bicycle will always be crossing and coming. But if you really love walking, like I do this from time to time, just walk, try to know my surrounding a little bit. And the weather is so cool and nice now. Why not just go ahead and do it? And then tomorrow, as I said, we're going back on the road tomorrow, so yeah, holiday is coming down to an end. Guys, there's a lot I learned coming here to a country that don't speak English. This experience has been good because I learned a lot. Like, you know, how to communicate. As I said it already in most of my video, but Google Translate is one of the best right now when it comes to communication, because it can help in a really sticky situation, especially if you're not in a tourist area. So these are the things you have to prepare for. Also, always try to get one of those services that provide data anywhere across the world. I'm not going to call out any, but I use one because they're not paying me now. But it's good to have it because the eSIM, because you can always connect in any country you go without buying or worrying about data, because data will be number one when you just landed. You need data. Of course, in the airport you will get data, but what about when you leave out the airport? That's where it becomes very sticky. And for navigation reason, you definitely need that, because for what happened to us, we did good thing we have it, so we could have navigate ourselves around until we get an angel that actually sent to help us, or we find an angel at night that really help us, and that's where we get rescued and could find somewhere to sleep. So that was good. It's a bit noisy here. I'm gonna go up this way. So I'm just like going around the block, guys, while I talk to you. I see Santa. The street named Santa, right? I know this name, you know. You know, the good thing also, it's night, but look how clear the camera is because it's properly lit with light. So this is very good also. This is how the garbage bins stay, and all of them, you know, you have the general, you have the paper, recycle, everything is set up like that. So it's very good. And you have to follow the rule, you know, and do it that way. So I think we're reaching close to the plaza where we went today, yeah, right here. And then I'm gonna head back to the apartment and call it a night. So guys, remember to always watch and subscribe and share it with friends and family. I remember I always said in my video, when I go anywhere, I will take you guys along with me, show you as much as I can. Whatever I see, you will see, you know, and keep you informed as best as I can. So anybody thinking of coming to Spain in the future, Madrid is very could be the first stop if you require that. Barcelona is a very famous place too. In the future, maybe, you never know, I may be in Barcelona But there's a lot more other little country that I like to travel, because here is so close, so close and near. It's like you're just jumping on a taxi to go. That's how close these countries are, you know, and it's much cheaper than when you do long distance international travel. So this plaza is maybe, I don't know if they have a close time here, maybe, not sure. I could walk to the end of here and then we come back up on this side. Because, okay, so they do have, so this plaza, they have a lot of American store here too. You have JD, you have KFC, there's a lot more, but you have a lot of store here from the US. To cross this road, guys. I'm just going to take you a little bit over there. I don't know what is close off time for this place really, so let us see and show you a little bit more. So guys, let's just show you a little bit around the plaza. I didn't go this side, so let's go this side quickly. Music, so that definitely not gonna work for me. So as I said, they have a lot of stores, restaurant stuff, all different type of things here. Dashman is there, everybody is there. Store is closing down now, so yeah, it seems like some of the stores is closing down. Minutes to 10, so maybe they close down at this time. Okay. Alright, I gotta take my son upstairs and finish up this video as soon as possible. So where I really wanted to go tonight is just a bit too far. I'm just doing the walk around, guys, showing you a little around the place. Oh, almost fell. Alright guys, let's end this video here. Continue to enjoy. See you in the next one. Peace out. So this plaza is really big area plaza. Yeah, it's fairly big plaza to be honest. So as I said, if you come in this area, it's very close to the apartment. and they have everything. You can just come to area and shop and eat and whatever you want, clothes shopping, whatever it is. So yeah, it's a nice place.